In the last video, SQL Basics for Beginners, Part 1, create database and tables. We created those three tables: students, courses, and enrollments. In real projects, your first design is almost perfect, so you may need to add, change, or remove columns from your tables, or at least from one of them. Here is our table students, for example. If you want to add a new column or attribute, then we cannot use the command create table again, because it's already created. To add a new column, we use this command: alter table, and then the name of the table, it is students, and then add column, and what we want to call our column. For example, we want to add a column which is called phone, and it's a text, so it is a varchar, and I will give it 30 characters. Let's run it. If we go again to our students table and refresh it, you will see here we have our new column or attribute phone. Now, change a column. What's about if we want to change a column that already exists? For example, deliver attribute here in this table. If you want to make the length of it longer, for example, instead of 30, like maybe 50, so we use this command. Again, alter table, and the name of our table, which is here courses, and then you say modify column, and the name of our column, which is here level, the var text, so we want it to be 50 instead of 30, and it's not null. Again, we run it again. So as you see here downstairs, it is executed, and now it's 50 instead of 30. Now remove a column. Let's remove, for example, the column phone that we just added. So to remove a column, we use this command: alter table, and the name of our table, which is here students, and then we say drop column, and the name of the column 1. Let's run it again. It's dropped. We can check, refresh our table again, and as you see, it's dropped. Be careful when removing columns, because the data inside that column will be lost. Here's a challenge for you. Add a column which is called a duration underscore minus to the courses table. It should be integer, not null. Write the SQL in the comments. Now, dropping or deleting tables. Dropping a table is not the same as deleting one row. If you drop a table, the table and its data are gone. So drop, remove the whole structure. If you drop a database and its tables are gone. If we run this command, our whole database, our whole schema study underscore db will be deleted with its 3 tables. Of course, I won't run it. For this reason, don't run drop commands. We have created our database or schema. Then we created our tables. Now we need to insert data into them. Let's start with our students table. To insert data into a table, use this command: insert into, and then the name of the table, which is students. Then we type our attributes, and we want to add the values. For example, as a full name, let's have Omar Kweidy, and email of him is like Omar at example.com. Then comma, and let's add 2 more. Now let's run it and go to our students table to check it. We refresh it, and here we have 3 rows. Now let's insert data to our courses table. Again, we say insert into, our table's name is courses, followed by the attributes. We have 3 attributes, and the values, let's have, for example, the course title SQL basics, and the price with it's gonna be cheap, like, and it's for beginners. Let's add one more row and semicolon. Let's run it. We have a look at our courses, and here they are. Let's insert data to our last table, enrollments, and let's run it. Good. If we want to check it, we go there, and as you see, there they are. Here's a small challenge for you. Insert 1 student, 1 new course, and 1 enrollment that connects them by the SQL command in the comments. Let's read our data. Select all from students, and let's run it. Here they are. Here's our table. So with the full name, emails, and they are created. If you want to read the data from our courses table too, it's the same. Select all from courses. Let's run it, and here they are.